Hey James, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving business owners a free attack plan of things that they can actually implement themselves for free to help impact their business positively has left some of those business owners asking me to help them and guide them to even better and more strategies and tips. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tips and tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can get started. Or, at the end of this video, you simply want to take the free plan that I gave you today, implement it, and start growing organically on your own. That works for me too. So let me dive right into it and not waste any more of your time. So here's your website. The first thing we're going to look at is going to be content quantity. So I just use SEO Quake, and we can see you have 256 words on that homepage. Now Google released that to be fully compatible and optimized within their platform, you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words. That's 1,500 words. So you're falling quite short of that. So just right out of the gate, just building more content, putting more information on the website is going to be something that can help you grow and ultimately get to that first page of Google. Now, the second thing I'm going to talk about goes hand in hand, and that's that content quality. And what I mean by that is the keywords you're using. So as we can see, you're using Gutter, Facebook, Gutters again. But you only have it 4 times, but that's because you have such little content. Now, why the content quality and keywords is important is when you type something into Google, those algorithms and computers run every website that they have trying to match their customer with what they're looking for. So I typed in Gutters, Poughkeepsie, New York, where you are located, and we can see your number one competitor is right here, Gutter Installer from brothersgutters.com. Now, we go to their website, we can see that they're also very low in content, but they have Gutter 31 times, Gutters 32 times, and Poughkeepsie 5 times. So as you can see, they have those keywords that I was looking for, pulled them to the top. Now, the third thing I'm going to talk about is actually the most important, and that's your offsite SEO. Now, looking at yours, you have none. You just have no offsite SEO, and therefore you're driving in no traffic. So your website basically is existing for no reason right now. So what I can highly suggest is building backlinks. Now, what a backlink is, it's a link from one website to another website. And what this does is it transfers what we call link juice. So if site A is pointing to site B will get some of that link juice from site A. It's basically a popularity contest, but Google holds this into the highest regard, and this is ultimately what's going to drive you to the first page of Google. Now, why else it matters is because it needs to come from a relevant site. So if this is coming from random websites, it's not going to help boost your business. But if you use sites that are related to you, so other gutter companies, businesses, maybe your supplier of gutter materials, or maybe blogs about gutter and home repair that could be linking to you is more important in Google's eyes. So again, I looked at your number one competitor here. We can see brothersgutters.com. They have a butt ton of backlinks, almost 10,000, and they're also driving in almost 18,000 clicks a month. So you can see just how important SEO is in getting on that front page, because you're missing out on a lot of clicks that could be potentially coming your way. So in conclusion, we discussed 3 things today. We talked about content and adding a lot more words so that you can meet that minimum of 1,500 words. Secondly, we discussed how important it is when you do build that 1,500 words to focus on the quality keywords that are going to help you get found for what you want to get found. And it doesn't have to be necessarily Gutters, Poughkeepsie, New York. It could be, the whole area that you service, or maybe some of the other things that you do, but what you want to be found for needs to be put there. Thirdly, most importantly, it's that offsite backlinking, and you need to have the most relevant sites point at you to show Google you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies on your own, there's no doubt in my mind that you will eventually grow to the first page of Google. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can take this information that I gave you today and implement it, and you can start growing, and I'm okay with that. I'm all about building small businesses. However, if you want the more effective way, want to save yourself the time, and you just want to hear what other tips and tricks I know, give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and you can reach me at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing back from you, and have a good day.